Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hey everyone, and welcome to this video where I'll tell you everything you need to know about Libertrim, trimebutene. I'm your narrator, and I'll guide you through this complete guide. Libertrim is a medicine mainly used to treat digestive problems. It's especially helpful for irritable bowel syndrome and other problems in how the gut works. If you've ever had tummy aches, bloating, or changes in your bathroom habits, maybe your doctor has prescribed Libertrim. So how does Libertrim work? This medicine works on the nerves in your gut. It helps regulate bowel movements and makes your gut less sensitive, relieving those annoying symptoms. The dosage of Libertrim is different for everyone and depends on how bad your symptoms are. Usually, you start with 100 to 200 milligrams 3 times a day. For maintenance, the dose can be changed depending on how the patient responds. It's always super important to follow your doctor's instructions and not self-medicate. Like all medicines, Libertrim can have side effects. Some of the most common ones are dizziness, sleepiness, and nausea. If you notice any serious side effects, you should contact your doctor immediately. To sum it up, Libertrim is a very useful tool for managing various digestive disorders. Remember to always follow your doctor's instructions and be aware of any side effects. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped you. Take care.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.